Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to fix PayPal login issues. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com, or of course go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the actual application. After that, what you need to do is go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you already do not have an account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. You can see that we have the home, send, wallet, activity and help. We have send it request and another different details as you can see here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and fix PayPal login issues. So first of all, see if PayPal servers are up sometimes. You can't log into PayPal due to technical glitches or server issues. You can go on Google and type if the servers are up at that time. Then check your location. Your location can be another cause of the issue. Maybe your location is not the location that is supported. Try incognito mode. You can of course go on incognito mode on your PC by clicking on the plus here and clicking here and going incognito. As you can see, new incognito tab. Also, you can clear your browser cache and cookies. You can double check your password. So maybe you are not typing your password correctly. You can update the PayPal app if you're using the app. You can create a new account at the end, of course. And you can, of course, at the very end, contact PayPal customer support that can maybe help you. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.